Backing up your Mac is crucial for protecting your files and system data from unexpected events like hardware failure, accidental deletions, or malware attacks. So, in order to do that, first thing first, tap on the Apple icon available in the top left corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, simply tap on the System Preferences or System Settings, and inside System Settings, tap on the General option available there. Now inside the General, you will get to see Time Machine option available. Simply tap on it. Time Machine is Apple's built-in backup feature that automatically backs up your entire system, including applications, documents, and settings. It is one of the easiest and most efficient ways to back up your Mac. All you have to do is use an external hard drive or SSD that has at least as much storage as spaces as your Mac, and set up the Time Machine and connect the drive, and your Mac should prompt you with a message asking if you want to use the disk for Time Machine backups or not. After that, you can simply back up. Time Machine will automatically back up your Mac on an hourly, daily, and weekly basis. The oldest backups are deleted when the disk is full. To restore files, you can also open Time Machine and browse through your backup history to restore individual files or the system entire.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.